So there in between A and B, 5 equal paths, that means 4 points will be there, P, Q, R, S. This is A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is P, Q, R, S. A is, what are the points given? A is 2P, 2 comma P. B is 7, 10. P will be, we don't know. Q is X comma 7. R we don't know. S is 6 comma Y. So we have to calculate X, Y, P value. Fine. So here P is the Y coordinate, Q's Y coordinate is known, and B's Y coordinate is known. So we will take A, Q, B. A is 2 comma P. Q is X comma 7 and B is 7, 10. So if we use for Q, now ratio, Q divides AB in the ratio, all are equal parts. This is A, 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 A. So Q will divide in the ratio. This is 2A and this is 3A. So it is 2:3 ratio. So take Q's X coordinates. X coordinate formula will be 2 into 7 plus 3 into 2 by 2 plus 3. So that is the value X is equal to 14 plus 6 by 5. 20 by 5, which is 4. So value of X is 4. And for Q's Y coordinate, that is equal to 2 into 10 plus 3 into P by 2 plus 3. Q's Y coordinate is known, 7 is equal to 20 plus 3P by 5. This will go this side. 35 is equal to 20 plus 3P minus 20, it is 15 by 3 is equal to P. So P is equal to 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will get this is 2, 5 you got. Now X is 4, 7 you got. Now S divides QB in the ratio 2:1. So these are two parts and this is one part. So 2:1 ratio. Take Y coordinate of S. S is Y coordinate. Find, you use the formula. Q, S, B. It is 2:1 ratio. Q is 4, 7. S is 6, Y. 7, 10. So Y coordinate 2 into 10 plus 1 into 7 by 2 plus 1. 20 plus 7 by 3. 27 by 3. That is 9. So value of Y is 9. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw the figure, everything will be clear. You have to draw the figure. That's it. That is a more important in this chapter. Any other doubt?
10th one. Ma'am, the 12th one.
10 or 12?
I have it written 10.
10th one. Okay, then 12th one. If a vertex of triangle B11, the middle point of the sides through it B minus 2, 3 and 5, 2, find the other vertices. Okay. Vertex A is 1, 1. The middle points of these sides through it. From A, what are the sides are there? AB and AC. The middle points of that means midpoints of this. Because this is P, this is Q. What are the coordinates? Minus 2, 3. So this is minus 2, 3. And Q is 5, 2. Find the B and C's coordinates. BC consider as XY, and C consider as AB. Use midpoint formula. So it is 1 plus x by 2, that is equal to minus 2, this middle value. And 1 plus y by 2 is equal to 3. Find x and y. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And for B, AC's midpoint is Q. So 1 plus A by 2 is equal to x coordinate of Q. x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to Q's x coordinate. And similarly, 1 plus B by 2 is equal to 2. Simplify this to get the value of A, B and C, x, y. Minus 5 comma 5 is B. A is 9. B is 3. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If the midpoints of the line segment joining is xy, 3, 4, A, B is K7 is xy. This is midpoint P has a coordinate x coordinate xy. Question is missing. So this point is present on that equation. Then find the value of x and y. No, yeah. K. Find K. If P present on 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, find K. Clear question? Question is clear
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not? So here they
Yes,
have
ma'am.
missed one sentence, that is P is present on this line. Then you have to calculate the value of K. So can you calculate the P's values? Pxy is equal to 3 plus K by 2 and 4 plus 7 by 2. 3 plus K by 2 and 11 by 2. So these are the P's coordinates and P is present on that equation. So therefore it should satisfy this equation. So 2 into x, that is 3 plus K by 2 plus 2 into 11 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this 2 get cancelled. This 2 get cancelled. 3 plus K plus 11 plus 1 is equal to 0. K plus 12 plus 3, 15 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 15. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for the fourth question, do we have to show that the opposite sides are equal and diagonals don't bisect, or like
Any
diagonal?
one method you can use. You can use the property of distance formula also, you can use it. Or here you can show that is diagonals are bisecting each other.
Okay, ma'am. So any one, right?
Any one. Then all the doubts clear?
Number 15th one.
Prove that the points are the vertices of parallelogram. Is it a rectangle? So earlier distance formula you can use it, or you can use it diagonal bisect each other. That is the coordinates of O, that is the point of bisection. That should be same. And diagonals, you have to measure the diagonals AC and BD both. So you have to show whether we have to check whether they are equal or not equal. If they are equal, then it is a rectangle, and if it is not equal, then it is not a rectangle. Then it will be parallelogram. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve the 18th question now then. 18th. Switch on video. Six, 18th one. Find the length of the medians through the point of a triangle whose vertices are A, B, and C they have given. You have to calculate the lengths of the median. So for finding the length of median, you have to find out the midpoints of all A, B, B, C, C, D, A, C. What's the answer?
Huh?
Midpoints of AB?
Ma'am, is it 0, 1?
Yeah, 0, 1. BC?
I'll just do one thing.
Shreya, how much is BC?
Ma'am, still done.
Still doing? This much time is needed for finding midpoints. What is the midpoint formula?
x1 plus x2
X1 plus x2 by
by 2.
by 2 and y coordinate.
y1 plus y2 by 2.
So how much needed time? First
Mm,
find out PQR or DEF, whatever it is. And then find out AD distance. A and midpoint of BC. Find out the distance. Coming in 2 minutes. Someone on the door. दूध गरम करो
Can you tell the answer? Finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, so, ma'am, for midpoint of AB is, ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So for midpoint of AB is 0, comma 1. Midpoint of AC is 2, comma 2, and midpoint of BC is 3, comma 0.
Okay. AP distance. AD distance.
Huh?
AD distance. Median AD.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it 5?
Okay. And BE.
Root 10.
Root 10. CF.
5.
5.
5. Disha completed? Lisha, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
After 18, 19th one. Till 23. Continue faster, quick. What's the answer of 19th?
Ratio is 3:7 and the coordinates are 3 by 2, 0.
Okay, right. 20, 21, 22, 23.
And 20th one ratio is 3:5.
20th one, 3 is to 5, right? And the value of x is?
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Ma'am, X is 9.
X is 9. Okay.
On 21st one, ratio is 2:7 and y is equals to 6.
That's right.
Ma'am, 20th one I'm not getting, ma'am.
Check your calculations.
Can you please do the 20th one? I'm not getting it.
What's the problem, Shubha?
No, I'm not getting the 20th.
What is the problem? Because this is not the new question you have solved.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you have taken care of when I was explaining
Yes,
last
ma'am.
class, what you have done?
Ma'am, so like, P is x comma 2, right? So try to find AP distance.
Why AB distance is needed here?
Huh?
Are you sleeping in the class?
No, ma'am.
Then why AB distance is needed here?
Ma'am,
Last class only you have solved these questions. That
yes,
means you have
ma'am.
not done homework and not paid attention in the class itself.
Ma'am, I did pay, ma'am.
Then why you are using distance formula?
Because like they didn't tell the ratio in which P is divided.
They are asking ratio, right? So for
Yes,
finding
ma'am.
ratio, why the distance is needed? What is the section formula?
Ma'am, x is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2.
Then leaving that, why you are using distance formula?
This one. Ma'am, so this one is the case to one that thing, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for the 22nd one, is the answer 3 comma minus 10? The coordinates of point A.
3 comma
Minus 10.
minus 10, right? Lisha, which question you're solving?
Ma'am, 22nd.
22nd. Do fast.
Yes,
AB is the
ma'am.
diameter and center is given. Center's coordinates and B is given. A you have to calculate.
Ma'am, in the 22nd one, y is equal to minus 10, right?
Yes,
And the coordinates are 3 and minus 10.
that's right.
Ma'am, 23rd one is x4 and y2.
That's right. Yes, right. Twenty-fourth one you're not doing. 25th one. 25, 26, and 28.
It's the ratio 2:7.
Which one?
The 25th one.
Yes, right.
Now after 23, which one should we do?
25th one. 25, 26, 28.
Ma'am, for the 26th is the ratio of 5:1.
Yes, right. The coordinates are
Ma'am, fine.
Ma'am, 0 and minus 13/3.
yes, right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now 25th ratio is 2:7, right?
25th is 2:7, right?
Okay.
Ma'am, which sum after 26?
27, 28.
Ma'am, for the 26th one, I got ratio as the coordinates as 0 and minus 13/3, and the ratio is 5:1.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, for the 28th one is the D's position 1 comma 0, E's position 1 comma 2, and F's position 0 comma 1.
So here it is a triangle A, B, C. The midpoint coordinates are given. This is P, Q, and R. Coordinates of P is 1, 1. Q is 2 minus 3. And R is 3, 4. We have to calculate the values, coordinates of A, B, and C. So we'll consider A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, and C as x3, y3. P is the midpoint of AB. So we can use the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 is P's x coordinate, and y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to y coordinate is 1. So therefore you will get x1 plus x2 is equal to 2. This is equation 1. y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. Equation 2. Similarly, Q is midpoint of BC. So therefore Q is midpoint of BC. So therefore Q's coordinates x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 2. y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to minus 3. So x2 plus x3 is equal to 4, third equation, and y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 6. This is the fourth equation. Now R is midpoint of AC. Therefore x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 3. y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 4. So x1 plus x3 is equal to 6. This is fifth equation. And y1 plus y3 is equal to 8. This is sixth equation. Now we got 6 equations. We have to add 1, 3, and 5 to get the x values. So what is 1? x1 plus x2. 3 is x2 plus x3. And 5 is x1 plus x3. So sum of all these is, there are 2x1s plus 2x2 plus 2x3. So what is the total sum? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So what is the value? x1, x2, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 6. Clear? And again adding 2, 4, and 6. What we will get? 2, 4, and 6 we have to add. What we will get?
1 by 2.
2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3.
2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3 is equal to 2 plus minus 6 is minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. Now we have x1 plus x2 value. Can we calculate x3? 2 plus x3 is equal to 6. So x3 is equal to 4. Now we have x2 plus x3 also. x2 plus x3 is 4. So what is left out? x1. So x1 plus 4 is equal to 6. Sorry, 6 is there. No, x1 plus, what is the value of x1 plus x2? x2 plus x3 is 4. This is equal to 6. So what is x1? 2. And again, x1 plus x3 is 6. So x2 plus 6 is equal to 6. So what is x2? 0. Similar way, calculate for y. y1 plus y2 we have 2. Substitute here. 2 plus y3 is equal to 2. So y3 is equal to 0. Then y2 plus y3. What is y2 plus y3 value? Minus 6. So y1 minus 6 is equal to 2. y1 is equal to 2 plus 6. y1 is equal to 8. And again the last value, y1 plus y3 is 8. So y2 plus 8 is equal to 2. y2 is equal to 2 minus 8 minus 6. So combine. A's coordinates are x1, y1. So what is x1? 2. y1, 8. B's coordinates are x2, y2. So what are x2, y2? 0 minus 6. And C's coordinates are x3, y3. The first values 4, 0. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for how many marks this chapter will come?
This chapter is for 7 to 8 marks. 7 marks minimum.
Okay.
And one minute, could you scroll up? I just want to see all the questions.
Question. These one.
Yes, from there.
मल्टीप्लीकेशन भी अब माइनस करना 6, 4 into 4. 4 4s are 60, 6 4s are 24, 25. 8 4s are 32, 32 to 34. So minus 3, 4, 5, 6. हो गया? मैम ना कंफ्यूज कर दी मुझे. टाइम में अगर
Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, everyone?